Hello, and welcome to Formity Privacy Pulse, the podcast where we explore the cutting edge of data protection and compliance. I'm your host, Annie Garcia, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's fundamental to any successful privacy program, yet often a source of major headaches: managing privacy documentation. We all know the drill. Privacy policies, data processing agreements, internal procedures. These documents are the backbone of compliance. But keeping them organized, up to date, and properly reviewed can feel like a monumental task. How do you ensure the right people have access? How do you track reviews and maintain a clear audit trail? And how do you securely collaborate with stakeholders inside and outside of your organization? Well, today we're going to explore a solution. We'll be taking a closer look at the document module from Privacy 360, a system designed to tackle these very challenges head-on. We'll break down how it streamlines the entire life cycle of your privacy documents, from creation to collaborative review. So, let's start with the foundation. The biggest initial hurdle in document management is often just knowing where everything is. The Privacy 360 document module acts as a centralized repository, a single source of truth for every privacy document your organization holds. Imagine logging in and seeing your entire privacy document library right there. But it's not just a messy folder. You can instantly filter everything by document type, whether it's a policy, a procedure, or a data processing agreement. You can also filter by status. Need to see which documents are active, which are archived, or more importantly, which ones are overdue for a review. A single click brings them up. This isn't just about finding things. It's about control and oversight. The system is built on role-based access, meaning users only see the documents they are authorized to view. This provides a clean, uncluttered view for each user and, crucially, maintains confidentiality. Every action is logged, creating a complete audit trail so you have full visibility into the document's lifecycle and access history. Okay, so you have all your documents in one place. The next critical step is ensuring they stay current, accurate, and compliant. This is where the formal review functionality comes in. Regulations change, business processes evolve, and a privacy policy that was perfect last year might be non-compliant today. The module provides a structured process for internal reviews. When a document is due for a checkup, a designated stakeholder can initiate a review with a simple click. A form opens, pre-populated with the document's details. The reviewer enters their name and title, confirms the review date, and most importantly, sets the next review date, typically a year out. This is key for proactive management. It puts the document back into a scheduled workflow and prevents it from being forgotten. The reviewer can then add detailed comments, note required changes, and submit. This action is immediately recorded in the document's history. It's a clear, simple process that builds accountability and ensures your documentation doesn't just gather digital dust. It provides the quality control and documented evidence you need to be ready for any audit. Now, this next feature is where things get really interesting, especially for anyone who works with stakeholders or external legal counsel. How do you get their feedback on a document without creating a security risk or an administrative nightmare? The Invite to Review feature is designed for this exact scenario. Let's say you need an outside counsel or legal admin to sign off on a data processing agreement. Instead of emailing attachments back and forth, you select the document in the system and click Invite Reviewer. You enter the outside counsel's name and email, define their role, like legal counsel or business process owner, and set an expiration period for the review link, say 7 days. The system then generates a unique, secure, token-based link and emails it directly to the stakeholder. They don't need a Privacy 360 account. They simply click the link, and they get temporary secure access to that one document. They can view it, add their comments, and even give it a rating. Once they submit their feedback, the review is logged, the internal team is notified, and the access token expires. This is a game changer. It's a secure, professional, and incredibly efficient way to handle external collaboration. You maintain a full audit trail of who was invited, when they accessed the document, and what feedback they gave, all without compromising your security posture. As you can imagine, a system like this relies on clear roles and permissions. Administrators and compliance have full access to manage their organization's documents and compliance. The benefits here really stack up. Operationally, it streamlines workflows and cuts down on administrative tasks. For compliance, it provides the audit trails and systematic reviews that regulators demand. From a security perspective, access is tightly controlled. And for the business, it means improved efficiency and better, more informed decision-making, because everyone is working from current, approved documents. To get the most out of a system like this, it's vital to follow best practices. 1. Establish regular review schedules. 2. Use clear, standardized naming conventions. 3. For external reviews, provide clear instructions and reasonable timeframes. And for internal reviews, make sure reviewers are trained and that there's a clear process for acting on their recommendations. This document module doesn't exist in a vacuum either. It's designed to integrate with other privacy management processes, linking to your records of processing activities, RAPA, supporting breach management documentation, and providing current policies for your training programs. It's one piece of a much larger privacy puzzle. So, what's the key takeaway? Effective data privacy management isn't just about having the right documents. It's about having the right processes to manage them. I'm Annie Garcia, and thanks for joining, and don't forget to subscribe. For MIDI Privacy 360, your data, our solution.